I'm just gonna kind of tap this into the skin. Oh, that's really pretty. Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. So last week Sephora did like another surprise sale where everybody got 20% off. It was a one-time use code and I bought some stuff even though we just had the Sephora savings event. I went to town. Well, not too bad, but I did buy a few things and I wanted to show you guys what I bought. Also, I went to Sephora, which they now have a Sephora in my Kohl's in my town. So I have a Sephora here, you guys. It's not as big as like a normal one, but they've got the goods. Okay, so I did find one thing that was sold out online that I bought after. So I'm really excited about that. But I bought a few things and I wanted to try them on camera with you guys because I always love watching what people buy. So I figured I would share it with you too. So I did show you guys some of these things in my wish list and basically I picked up everything that was on my wish list. So the Shani Darden Sake Toning Essence was the first thing I picked up. I'm pretty sure I saw Makeup by Nikki LaRose talk about this. Like half of these recommendations were from her and I was sold. Like she's been really influencing me these days. I'm a big fan of Shani Darden's skincare and I really wanted to try this. So I just cleansed my face. It's feeling dry because I didn't put anything else on it. I guess this is supposed to go on right after cleansing the face to your face and neck with hands or a cotton pad. So I'll just use my hands to apply this. Just gonna do a little bit and apply this all over. What is this supposed to do? Okay. This brightening, mattifying formula is the best of a toner and essence in one. Sake hydrates and brightens the skin, while sebocytine, hopefully I pronounced that right, helps reduce oil production and refine the look of pores. Okay, it's for normal to oily skin. Nice. It's sinking into the skin really beautifully and it is leaving a little bit more of like a matte feel to the skin, but still looks like a healthy finish. Let's do a little moisturizer on top of that. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury water cream. This is just what I have lying on my desk. Okay, I like how that feels. Obviously with a skincare product, I'm not gonna be able to know if I love it just based off of the first application. So I'm gonna make sure this goes upstairs into my bathroom so that I can give it a fair shot. But I like the texture and I love the idea of a brightening essence because that's one of the main things I look for in my skincare is just like anything to brighten and even out the discoloration that's in my skin. I struggled with acne for years and years and years, so I still have quite a bit of like discoloration on the cheeks and stuff. It's improved so much, but still it exists. So those are the kinds of products that I love, are just like brightening products. I also wanted to spray a little fragrance. My favorite fragrance brand, one of my favorite brands I should say, Dedcool, launched a brand new fragrance and I kind of did a little blind buy. I bought the travel size just in case, as it drops on my desk. This is their new scent called Sunlit Blooms. Let me read you the notes. Orange blossom, white flower, salted vanilla. I usually don't go with citrus, so I'm interested to see how this goes, but I also did see that apparently it smells nice layered with some of their other fragrances, one being the fragrance Tint, which is like my favorite one, so I do want to try it layered as well, but let's try it out. Oh, it's not as like citrusy as I thought, in a good way. It almost feels way more floral, like that white flower is coming through a little bit more than the citrus. It's very fresh, but not too bright. Okay. Same with like skincare. I need time with fragrances to really see how it sits on the skin throughout the day, if it gives me a headache or whatever. That smells nice though. I'm excited about that. They make such good fragrances. I like find myself blind buying Dedcool fragrances more than other brands just because they've made so many that I love. That's nice. I don't have anything like that. Yeah, I really like that. Okay, let's wear the Ciele Tint and Protect Skin Tint Serum. This is not from this specific order, but I did recently buy this and I really love it. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Prisme Libre Skin Caring Concealer. And then we have a bronzer that I bought that I'm really excited to try. Okay, so we're gonna try out this new Skin Suede Melting Bronze Balm. Well, it's new to me. I'm not actually sure when this launched. This is from Simihaze Beauty. I've never tried a thing from their brand, but I really wanted to try this. Ooh, the packaging is interesting. Look at that. Looks like something out of Star Wars or something. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking that because I just got back from Disneyland. So here is the color. This is the shade Sycamore. Okay, let's give this a whirl. I'm just gonna kind of tap this into the skin. Oh, that's really pretty. It's not too pigmented at all, but it's, I mean, you see it on the skin. That's what's kind of nice about these more balmy bronzers these days, is you kind of get the blendability of a cream, but it's even more sheer, so it's even more forgiving. Okay, I can honestly see why people are liking this. Ooh, that's beautiful. It really gave me a nice soft sculpt, but it looks so natural, especially like along the cheekbones. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a ton of makeup right there, which is sometimes hard to achieve that effect with a more pigmented contour product, but this looks really nice. Okay. I have wanted this for a long time, and I finally caved and bought it because I heard enough people rave about it. This is from Westman Atelier, which you guys know I love the Westman Atelier contour stick. I do own a couple of their blushes, but not this shade. So I bought the shade Petal, which looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to try this out. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna pick that up on a brush and pat that into the cheeks. How pretty is this? The one that I have, actually I think I only have one Westman Atelier blush. I think it's in the shade Couchette, which is like a really cute peach, but this pink is like extra beautiful. Ooh, I'm excited about that. I'm gonna go across the nose a little, maybe tap a little bit into the forehead and chin just for like a little more of a cohesive look. Okay. Is a really pretty color. I believe Nikki LaRose is the one who finally made me cave and buy this. I've heard so many people talk about it. I'm telling you, she's been influencing me like crazy these days. But we have a very similar taste in makeup. I think that's why I like go for a lot of her recommendations, because a lot of the products she likes, I like. Okay, how pretty. Let's do a little bit of powder. You guessed it, my Huda Beauty powder. What's new? I'm just gonna press some of this powder under the eyes, through the T-zone, on the nose, the smile lines, the chin, basically the entire center of the face. And I normally go on the outside of the face, but I'm gonna leave it today just to keep things looking a little more soft and fresh. Okay. I'm just gonna fill my brows, throw a little powder bronzer on the eyes, and then I did buy an eyeliner. What the heck? Another Nikki LaRose recommendation. So we'll get to that in just a second. All right, the eyes have just a little bronzer on it. Got my brows on, and I picked up this Makeup by Mario eyeliner in the shade Soft Brown. I love the shade The Perfect Brown because it's just like the best deep brown for when I do want to wear eyeliner. It's really flattering. It gives a lot of definition, but in like a really soft way. So this one is, what in the world? Where's my pencil? This is not a twist up. Do I need to sharpen this all the way down? That's weird. Let me see if I can find the color. Okay, it's a little bit wobbly. I might have got like a defective one. Yeah, this one feels like it dried out. The color really is so nice, but it's like super dry. I just know this because I use the other color. So I think what I'll do is I'll probably exchange this for another one. So I'm gonna save it and I'll try it in another video. The color looks nice. I am really excited about that and I do wanna try it. I just feel like mine that I got dried out. Okay, well, in the meantime, let's put on a little mascara. I'm gonna use my Libre mascara on just the top and bottom lashes. Okay, I wiped off any foundation that was on the lips, and now I'm gonna go in with some lip liner. I'm just gonna use this Lawless lip liner. This is the shade Honey Rose. This lip liner shade is just to die for. I love it. When I was shopping online, they had sold out of the Fenty Beauty Sweetmouth lip gloss. So that's what I picked up at my Kohl's. Shout out to Emily. She was working the Sephora section and she was a subscriber. So we chatted for a while. She's so sweet. So thank you, Emily, for helping me purchase this. Yeah, this is the shade Sweetmouth. Another recommendation from Nikki LaRose that I fell for. I love the Fenty glosses, but I don't have this one, which is shocking. So I feel like Fenty sends me so many things in PR, but I've never tried this specific shade of gloss. Ooh, that's really pretty. I love how it lightened up the lip liner a bit. It looks so nice. Okay, let's assess the situation a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the Petal blush from Westman Atelier, just right in like the center of the cheeks. Okay, I feel like everything looks the way I want it to. I'm gonna take a little more of that bronzer, apply a little bit more to the forehead always. This is so natural though. I really love how soft this bronzer is. Soft by like the color. It comes in several shades. This is the lightest shade, but I really like that. The packaging is super interesting too. Okay, we are going to set the face with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and then we're gonna lock the brows in place with the Rare Beauty Brow Setter. I feel so fresh in this look, and maybe it's the fragrance too that's making me feel extra fresh. It does smell really nice. I do want to try layering the Tint fragrance on top to see like if that rounds it out a little more, because it is more on the fresh, bright side, but it's not too citrusy, it's more floral. So we'll see. I mean, I really do like it. We'll see how it wears throughout the day. But yeah, the makeup looks really nice. Like, I'm really happy with how this turned out today. I feel like the thing that I'm extra thrilled about is the Simihaze bronzer. It's gonna be something that I use on like a daily basis, I feel, because it just kind of blurred the skin in those areas, but still looks like skin, wasn't too pigmented, but enough to like make a difference where it's worth applying. I'm excited about that. I'm excited to keep trying the Shani Darden toner. This lip combo is really nice. And the blush too. So some really good things. I'll get back to you on the eyeliner once I replace that with a new one to see if I just got like a bad batch or something. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm excited about actually these things that I picked up. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these or if you're into this type of a look. I mean, I feel like this is so classic and perfect for every day. And the bronzer, I feel like, is what's making it feel almost no makeup-y, but just clean girl, basically. Clean girl vibes, extra dewy, but sculpted still. I really like how this looks. I'm happy with my purchases. This gloss feels nice and looks so good too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I bought at Sephora again. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these things, what your thoughts are, how you feel about them. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching today's video. Hope your day is magical. Hope all your dreams come true. I love you guys. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.